A is for apple.
Round and red, a tasty treat. We all get fed. Round and red.
B is for ball.
Bouncy and fun. Throw it high. Watch how it run. Bouncy and fun.
C is for cube.
6 square sides. Stack them up. Watch how it glides. 6 square sides.
D is for drum.
Beat and bend. Rhythms flow. Songs we sing. Beat and bend.
E is for egg.
Oval and neat. Cried it over. What a treat. Oval and neat.
F is for fish.
Swimming around in the water, not making a sound. Swimming around.
G is for globe.
Round like curves, spin it slowly. See the bird. Round like curves.
H is for hat.
On your head keeps you warm, soft like a bed. On your head.
I is for igloo.
Cold and white, it's almost lived there in the night. Cold and white.
J is for jug.
Filled with juice, pour a drink, let it loose. Filled with juice.
K is for kite.
Flying high in the wind, touching the sky. Flying high.
L is for lamp.
Shining bright, lights the room.
octopus.
In the sea, 8 long arms wake they free in the sea.
P is for pyramid.
Deserts bright, enchant secrets deep inside. Deserts bright.
Q is for quilt.
Soft and warm, keeps you snug in the storm. Soft and warm.
R is for robot.
Beep and whir, helping hands. Yes, sir. Or beep and whir.
S is for sphere.
Perfectly round, roll it here, roll it round, perfectly round.
T is for tent.
In the wild, can be known, nature's child in the wild.
U is for umbrella.
In the rain, open it up, try again in the rain.
V is for vase.
Flowers inside, beauty of blooms, open wide, flowers inside.
T is for tent.
Round and round on the car, rolls on the ground, round and round.
X is for xylophone.
Musical bars play a tune under the stars. Musical bars.
Y is for yacht.
Sailing free on the waves in the sea, sailing free.
Z is for zebra.
Stripes only